Guys, it's Eyeshadow. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing the gray makeup challenge. So a while ago I did like the blue makeup challenge, which was basically just like me doing my makeup, eyeshadow and all that stuff with blue like makeup. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I did that because I always kind of like had trouble with blues. It was like my most hard to work with color. So in today's video I'm going to be doing that, but with gray. I literally never ever use grays. It's just like not really my thing. I'm kind of scared of it, to be honest. I was gonna name this like the cool toned eyeshadow challenge or whatever, but that would be idiotic of me because I know there's other colors that are technically like cool tone that I've used before, but I never used gray, if that makes sense, and like did like a full gray makeup look because like I said, it really scares me. I feel like it's hard to blend out and all that stuff, but I thought I should experiment with it, especially since I got the Juvia's Place the Rebel Grays palette. I had to pick up another few palettes in my collection that just had like one like gray shadow in it because like I said, I don't use grays. So this is like the only full gray palette that I had, and I had to like pick up other ones that had like a color here or there. But anyways, let me stop rambling. If you guys want to see me use gray eyeshadow for the first time, take a shot every time I say gray in this gray eyeshadow challenge, then just keep on watching. All right, so let's just get started. Okay, so first I kind of feel like I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. This one is kind of like lighter, and the reason why I'm using this is because I don't know how the eyeshadows are gonna show up on me, so I kind of want to do a lighter base at first just to like see what we're working with. Alright, let me try to figure out what kind of eyeshadow look I want to do. I usually will like draw in and stuff, but today I just wanted to like jump into it, so I'm just gonna take a little second to figure out what I want to do before I just start putting random eyeshadow on my face. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do, so I think I kind of want to do like a cut crease type thing with like open over here. So first, this is gonna seem literally so random. I'm gonna take the Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette, and I'm gonna take Mist, because like I said, I was literally struggling to try to find like gray eyeshadows in my collection because I literally avoid them at all costs. So unless like a palette has like majority other colors and it just happens to have a gray, then so I'm gonna take the Morphe M330 and go into Mist and start blending that into my crease. And now I'm going to take the Juvia's Place the Rebel Grays palette. I'm going to take the matte color in the palette, and I'm going to take that with my M330 brush. I'm going to put that into the crease. Okay, now I'm going to take the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye palette, and I'm going to take very lightly, I'm going to take the black and basically just emphasize the crease and the outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to cut my crease with that same concealer that we used to prime. I'm going to use the M124 brush. I'm going to take this shade in the Grays palette, and I'm going to put it in the front of my eye. I'm going to take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette, and I'm going to take this shimmery gray shade. Like I said, I was just literally pulling palettes that had gray eyeshadows, and I'm going to put it in the middle of the lid. And I'm hoping this is going to be the last random eyeshadow that I take. I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place Magic palette, and I'm going to take Vi, I think that's how you say it, which is like a dark gray shimmer shade. And I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna put it on the the outer part of the cut crease. I'm gonna lightly take the black from the Kat Von D palette again and just blend out the cut crease. Okay, my foundation and everything will look a little bit crazy. I think it'll look better once everything is all finished. But I just went on camera and did that. So now we're going to do the under eye. So I'm going to take that matte color from the Juvia's Place Grays palette. I'm going to take that on this flat BH Cosmetics brush. Let me try to find a gray lipstick. Just give me 1 second. So I found a gray lipstick. I got NYX liquid suede lipstick in Stone Fox. And I think I might line my lips with Alien and then go in the middle with this. So I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, and then I'll come back for the final look and the final thoughts and stuff about using gray makeup. So yeah, I'll be right back with the lash on. Okay guys, so I just put on a lash. Honestly, I've been really obsessed with like 25mm lashes, really big lashes, ever since the last video that I used this new pack of lashes that I got, and I like the way it looks. I just kind of feel like it's a little loud for this look, but I'm keeping them on because like I just feel so good in these lashes. Like I don't know what it is, I feel like it just makes me look like a Bratz doll or something. Like I don't know, like, but yeah, this is a finished look, and honestly I kind of really like it. I feel like it makes me look very like grungy and very like, I don't know, just like, I don't want to say goth because I hate that word, but like grungy and just like cute. I honestly, like I said, was always scared of like gray eyeshadows, but honestly it wasn't that hard to work with. So I don't know what I have been using. I think it's just like when you put it on and you're expecting like a different undertone and it's like a gray undertone, or it's like a cool undertone, or it's gray, you're like, this is not what I was expecting, so then everything goes bad. But when you go into a look making it look that way, then like I feel like it looks good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on this here YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. I'm really excited because for my next video, I just am really excited because, you know, I'm gonna just say it, there's no point, it's not like a surprise. I ordered a microphone off Amazon, so we're gonna see how that works. I'm really excited. I was gonna like wait to do the like a video to upload until I had it, but I was like, let's not do that, let's just do it, because just in case it doesn't work, then I would have had like waited for nothing. But I'm just really excited. We're gonna see together how the new microphone works, so I'm really excited about that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video.